we will continue to find the number of atoms, molecules, particles or ions in a given substance. First of all, we define the what is the mole. Mole is the defined as number of atoms, molecules, particles present in 12 gram of carbon 12. It means mole is the measuring unit. It is the measuring unit of to calculate the number of atoms, molecule, particle in 12 gram of carbon 12 and other substances. Number one question, the numerical is calculate the amount of energy released in erg, calorie and joule when 0.01 kilogram of substance disappear. Einstein give the relation between mass disappear into energy, and the equation is E equal to mc square, where the c is the velocity of light having value 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The given value is that m equal to mass is 0.001 kg, hence putting the value is E equal to mc square, hence 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into c square 3 into 10 to the power 8 square, hence it will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 13 joule. We know that 1 joule equal to 10 to the power 7 erg, hence its value will be 9 into 10 to the power 13 into 10 to the power 7. It means 9 into 10 to the power 20 erg. We know that 1 joule will be equal to 0.24 calorie, hence the value is 9 into 10 to the power 13 into 0.24, hence the value is 2.16 into 10 to the power 13 calorie. That is the conversion of mass into energy. The next question is numerical. Find the mole in 4.9 gram of H2SO4. The formula to find the number of mole in any substance is the equal to mass of substance, given mass of substance in gram, divided by molecular mass of substance. Here is I want to give some atomic mass of element like hydrogen 1H1, oxygen 8O16, sulfur 16, sulfur 32. Hence the molecular mass of H2SO4 will be 2 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, and it will be equal to 98. To find the number of mole, mass of substance is given 4.9 gram upon 98, and it will be 1 1/20 or 0.05, that is number of mole. Next one question, third. A piece of copper having weight 0.635 gram, how many atoms of copper does contain? The simple formula to find the number of atoms will be n into Na. N the number of mole, N is the Avogadro number. Hence, number of atoms in piece of copper have weight. N can be written as mass of substance in gram upon molecular mass of substance in gram into Na. Then mass of substance is 0.635 upon molecular mass or atomic mass of copper is given. Copper is 29 copper 63.5, that is 63.5 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Hence, the calculation is 1/100. Hence, the value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 21. This is the number of atoms present in copper weighing 0.635 gram. Next one, fourth question is, how many number of molecules and oxygen atom in 5.6 liter of oxygen at NTP? Same formula, number of molecule, same formula, N into Na. N is the number of mole and Na is the Avogadro number. N can be calculate number of mole weight upon molecular weight, but there is oxygen atom and in gaseous state this is given in liter. Hence, the formula for gaseous state, we know that at a given temperature pressure 1 mole of each gas has the volume 22.4 liter. Hence, the number of mole will be calculated in case volume of gas in liter upon 22.4. Number of mole 5.6, the volume of gas, and 22.4, that is the value of N, multiplied by the Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It will be 1/4. Hence, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon 4, and the value is 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. These are the number of molecules in 5.6 liter of oxygen. Next one, Find also the number of oxygen atom. Number of oxygen atom. Number of oxygen atom will be, we know that in a oxygen molecule, in O2 molecule, there are 2 oxygen atoms. Hence, the number of atoms will be 2 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. Hence, 3.0 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms present in oxygen in 5.6 liter of oxygen at NTP. The next numerical is fifth. What is the mass of 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 molecule of ammonia? There is a formula for calculate the number of moles is number of particle upon Avogadro number will be equal to mass of substance in gram upon molecular mass of substance. For this is given for ammonia, hence given is 7N14 and 1H1. Number of particles are given 3.01 into 10 to the power 22. Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Mass of substance to be find. What is the mass of ammonia? The mass will be find. Molecular mass of substance means ammonia will be, molecular mass will be 14 plus 3 hydrogen equal to 17, and the value of M will be equal to 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 into 17 upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The value will be 1 upon 2, and it will be 17 by 20, hence it will be 0.85 gram. 22 power of upper and 23 power of lower cancelled by 1 by 10, hence 17 upon 20. Next one, the question is 6. How many electrons present in 1.6 gram of 1.6 gram of methane? There is simple formula to find the number of electron. Number of electron will be equal to the simple formula number of electron in 1 mole of formula into n number of mole and any Avogadro number. Number of electron in 1.6 gram CH4 methane. We know that number of electron 1 mole formula of methane will be CH4, 6 electron in carbon and 4 electron in methane, that is equal to 10. Put the value in formula. 10 electron in 1 mole of formula of methane into N, the number of mole. Number of mole can be calculated mass of substance in gram 1.6 upon molecular mass of methane. Molecular mass will be 6C carbon, 6C12, 12 plus 4 means 16. That is the electron and that is the molecular mass. 16 into Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The value is 0.1 and calculation says that 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 electron presenting 1.6 gram of methane. Simple formula: number of electron in 1 mole of formula into N, number of mole, and multiply by with Avogadro number. Next one is 7 question. How many years it would be taken to spend 1 Avogadro number of rupees? Given is number of rupees are Avogadro number means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Spent at the rate of 10 lakh rupees per second, means rate is 10 lakh rupees, means 10 to the power 6 rupees in per year. How many years would be taken? Means 1 year has 365 days, each day has 24 hours and 24 hours have 60 minutes and 60 minutes have 60 seconds, and it will be equal to 3 crore 15 lakh and 36,000 into 10 to the power 6, and it will be 31536 into 10 to the power 9. That is the rate, and he want to calculate how many years for spent will be equal to number of rupees, Avogadro number of rupees. It means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 upon 31536 into 10 to the power 9, and the value is 1.9 into 10 to the power 1.9 into 10 to the power 10 years would be taken to spend the Avogadro number of rupees at the rate of 10 lakh rupees per second. How much value is spent and the rate in which to be spent, and that is the time taken to spend. Next question is 8. Next question is 8. Calculate the mass of 1 AMU in gram. We know that as the definition, 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, is the 1/12th part of mass of one atom of carbon 12. That is the definition of 1 AMU, 1/12th mass of one atom of carbon 12. Next one, we know that we know that 1 mole of carbon equal to 12 gram equal to Avogadro number, means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It means the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon has mass 12 gram, and one atom will be 12 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, hence it will be equal to 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Means mass of one atom is 1.1 mass of one atom of carbon 12, 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23. Then the 1 AMU equal to 1 AMU will be equal to 1 upon 12 into 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23. It means it will be 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 1 upon 12th mass of one atom of carbon 12. It is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Next one, this is the question is 8. Next question is 9. Calculate the number of atoms. First of all, that is the first case, number of atoms in 52 mole of helium. We know that the formula is given N into Na N equal to 52 mole. Na equal to Avogadro number. Hence, the value is 3.1 into 10 to the power 25 atoms. Number next, B. Calculate the number of atoms in 52 AMU. 52 AMU of helium. We know that 1 AMU of helium is 4.003 gram. Hence, the 3 grams and the number of atom in 52 AMU will be 52 upon 4.003, hence it will be equal to 12.99 number of atoms. That is the, in 1 AMU is 4.003 gram and number of atoms will be 52. In 52 AMU is 12.99 or 13 atom. Next one, C, part C. The number of atoms in 52 gram. Number of atom in 52 gram will be equal to N into Na. N formula is same, N into Na. N will be calculate mass of substance in gram 52. Atomic weight is 4 and atomic mass is 4 and Na equal to 6.02223 into 10 to the power 23. Hence the number of atoms will be 7.8 into 10 to the power 23. That is the question is 9. Next one, the question is 10. Numerical is 10. Calculate the percentage composition. Calculate the percentage composition of calcium nitrate. The formula of percentage composition will be equal to the amount of particular elements or atom upon total amount into 100. Percentage composition of calcium nitrate. The molecular mass of calcium nitrate is, we know that calcium is 20 calcium 40, nitrogen 7 in 14 and oxygen is 8 or 16. Hence the value will be 40 plus 2 into 14 plus 2 into 3 into 16. Hence 40 plus 2 into 14 plus 48 62 and it will be 40 plus and it is 164 gram. That is the molecular mass of calcium nitrate. Hence the formula of percentage composition of calcium will be mass of calcium, atomic mass of calcium, or the amount of particular calcium in calcium nitrate upon total mass is 164 into 100, and the percentage will be 24% of calcium. Next one, percentage composition of nitrogen is nitrogen present in 28 and 164 divided by 164 into 100, and it is 17%. Percentage composition of oxygen is oxygen present in 96 upon 164 into 100, and it will be 59%. Percentage of oxygen